Welcome back to Transportation Tip Tuesday. Today is all about our Bike Valet service. After registering your bike, you are able to use the Bike Valet parking at either of our two locations. One is in front of the Nugent building and the other along the Warren bike path north of Helen Street. To use the service, check in your bike with one of our friendly Bike Valet attendants who will give you a numbered brass tag. Your bicycle will be watched and monitored while it's parked. When you return to the Bike Valet station, hand the attendant the numbered brass tag to receive your bike, and that's it. The Bike Valet service is open Monday through Friday between 7:45 a.m. and 6 p.m. If you do not pick up your bike by 6 p.m., it will be secured to a rack within the valet parking area with a PTS U-lock. You will have to call 520-621-1108 after 6 p.m. to release your bicycle. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.